Hey everyone, this is going to be a quick how-to on adding garlic to your humidifier. To start off, we're going to need two things, our humidifier and some garlic. Now let's talk garlic. You'll likely want to use minced garlic when adding it to your humidifier. This is due to the watery nature that it has. This watery consistency really allows the garlic juices and ultimately aroma to be soaked nicely into the humidifier's wick or filter as it gets dispersed in your room, that you're trying to achieve that nice rich garlicky scent in. Let's talk where you put it in or on your humidifier. So almost all humidifiers have a water tank or water source. Some have an aromatics tray located somewhere near the fan. The water tank or water source is your best bet when it comes to adding garlic to the humidifier. Mine has a nice little cap on the bottom. I put my water in and a little bit of garlic. It's as simple as that. It gets soaked in the filter and dispersed in my room. Now, if you really want to get wild, however, you could put a little garlic right on top in your aromatics tray. That'll make the garlic scent even stronger, but 9 times out of 10, all you really need is put it in the water source. Anything more than that, and it could become a little bit overpowering, which we don't want. Now you might ask yourself, why would you want to add garlic to your humidifier? And that's to achieve the nice rich garlicky scent that we all love, of course. So guys, that's pretty much all you need to know when it comes to adding garlic to your humidifier. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Otherwise, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.